All right, this is part 2 of today's mini lesson. Now that we've made a tray using the pattern tool, we're also going to now make a lid for this. So one of the things I need to know to make a lid for it, I'm going to go back to my original sketch and view that. And I need to find these dimensions so I can write them down. So it's 5.5 of width and 5 of, I guess 5.5 would be the length and 5 would be the width. All right, so knowing these dimensions, 5.5 and 5, what I can do is I can exit the sketch, and I'm going to start a new part. And on this new part, I'm going to draw that exact same size. So sketch here on the top, and I'm going to use my center rectangle again. I'm going to click here, and I'm actually going to draw that out, and I need to dimension it. So in this direction, it was 5.5, so I'm going to make it just a little bit bigger. I'm going to make it 5.6 so it fits. And then in this direction, it was 5, so I'm going to make it a little bit bigger. I'm making it 5.1. So now that should easily um, fit on top of my part. All right. Now I'm going to extrude it to be just a little bit thicker than what this one is. If I look at it, and I think this is the extrude step, it's 0.7. So I want it to be just a little bit less. So I'm probably going to use 0.5 of an extrude. So coming back to my part, um, draw my lid. I'm going to click extrude it, 0.5. All right, now that I've done that, I can use this tool called Shell. And what Shell is going to do is it's going to kind of hollow it out. And now I'm going to click Shell, and it says faces to remove. I want to remove this face. And you can see that it now made a box really simply. But what I can do is also change the direction, because if I do it this way, that shelled it to the inside, and that would actually hit my bottom piece. But if I click the arrows, it will shell to the outside now. And I want to shell it, I want to say 0.15 is my shell. So that should be how thick that is. Okay. Now, if I click OK, you can see that made a box super simply. Now that I have that, I can go to my assembly, and I can bring in my two different parts. So I'm going to insert my bottom. I'm going to place it right there. And then I'm going to insert my top, place it there. And now I can take this and do some analysis, making sure that it's going to fit properly. So hopefully that shell tool will help you make parts for your PEZ project pretty easily. All right, good luck, and let me know if you have any questions.